Good morning, guys. Today we are going to take delivery of my second used car. In fact, I have sold my earlier Ritz, which you have seen in the video. In fact, I was looking for a budget-friendly diesel car, which I am going to purchase today. And today is Poila Boishak, the Bengali New Year, and it's an auspicious day. And I feel lucky that I am taking delivery of a car on such an auspicious day. And as you know, I have taken the car from Richie Motors, and this is not the first time I am buying a car from Richie Motors. My first car in my life was also from Richie Motors, and that was a 1996 Esteem car, which you may see in the video, the cars I have owned so far. So again, I have trusted Richie Motors for my second used car, and this car will be mainly used for my long journeys where diesel will be an economical one. So that's why I decided to purchase this car. And I was looking for a car that won't cost a bomb. Actually, normally diesel cars are pricey, so this is our Richie Motors, from where I have taken delivery of my car, and it's pleasure that I am taking delivery for the second time. My first delivery was in 1999 when I purchased a Maruti Esteem from him, and thanks to Pawanji for providing a value. So finally I am taking delivery of my car. That's the Ford Classic TDCI. The car has been washed and it's ready for delivery.